Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to chemical bonding and molecular structure. Which one of them is the weakest? Ionic bond, covalent bond, metallic bond, van der Waals forces. The answer is van der Waals forces. Among them, van der Waals forces is the weakest force. The bond angle around the atom, which uses sp2 hybridization, is (120°), 180°, 107°, 109 degrees and 28 minutes. The answer is 120 degrees. The bond angle around an atom which uses sp2 hybridization is 120 degrees. In the resonating structure of benzene, the number of sigma and pi bonds are 3 pi and 12 sigma, 3 sigma and 3 pi, 6 sigma, 6 pi, 12 sigma, 12 pi. The answer is 3 pi and 12 sigma. In benzene, ring contain 3 alternative double bonds. Those are equaling to 3 pi bonds and 6 carbon to carbon sigma bond plus 6 carbon to hydrogen sigma bonds. That makes it equivalent to 12 sigma bonds. Which of the following substance has a dipole moment more than 0? Water, methane, carbon dioxide, nitrogen. The answer is water. The dipole moment of water is 1.48 D. The ion which is isoelectronic with carbon monoxide is cyanide ion, oxide ion, nitrogen ion, oxygen plus. The answer is cyanide minus. Both carbon monoxide 6 plus 4 8 equals to 14, and cyanide ion is 6 plus 7 plus 1 equals to 14. Have the same electrons, so they are isoelectronic with each other. The correct bond order in the following species is oxygen plus less than oxygen minus less than oxygen 2 plus, oxygen minus less than oxygen plus less than oxygen 2 plus, oxygen 2 plus less than oxygen plus less than oxygen minus, oxygen 2 plus less than oxygen minus less than oxygen plus. The answer is oxygen 2, oxygen minus less than oxygen plus less than oxygen 2 plus. The correct one is oxygen minus less than oxygen plus less than oxygen 2 plus. Bond order is 1.5 less than 2.5 less than 3.0 respectively. Which of the following molecules have trigonal planar geometry? BF3, NH3, PCl3, IF3. The answer is BF3. BF3 has trigonal planar geometry. The hybridization of BF3 is sp2 hybridization. During change of oxygen to oxygen 2 minus ion, the electron adds on which of the following orbitals? Sigma star orbital, pi orbital, sigma orbital, pi star orbital. The answer is pi star orbital. The incoming electrons add to pi star orbital in the change of oxygen to oxygen 2 minus ion. In which of the following pairs the two molecules have identical bond orders? Nitrogen and oxygen 2 plus, nitrogen stroke oxygen minus, nitrogen minus stroke oxygen, oxygen 2 minus stroke nitrogen. The answer is nitrogen stroke oxygen 2 plus. Both nitrogen and oxygen 2 plus have bond order equal to 3.0. Ionic bonds will be formed more easily between elements with comparatively low ionization enthalpy and high electron affinity. High ionization enthalpy and high electron affinity. Low ionization enthalpy and low electron affinity. High ionization enthalpy and low electron affinity. The answer is low ionization enthalpy and high electron affinity. Ionic bonds will be formed more easily between elements with low ionization enthalpy and high electron affinity. Hello, my friends. Thank you very much for participating in chemical bonds and molecular structure. Please do like, share, and subscribe.